Now let's look at a few more examples wherein we have to convert to the base 10. This is 3ac to the base 16. Your base is 16, that means it's a hexadecimal number. Okay? Like we saw earlier, a represents the value 10. C represents the value 12. See, A and C are not defined in the decimal system. So you have to convert A to 10 and you have to convert C to 12. It's a 3-digit number. So what will I do? I'll write 3 into 16 square because your base is 16. Plus A will be written as 10 and that will be into 16 raised to 1. Plus C is what? C is 12 into 16 raised to 0. Okay? Now this will be 3 into 256 plus this will be 160 plus this will be 12. So the value comes out to be 940. So this is 940 to the base 10. So 3ac in hexadecimal is 940 in the decimal system. Okay? Now let's look at the octals number. 512 to the base 8. It's an octal number. So what will you do? Instead of 16, you will just take 8. The remaining process remains the same. So I would request you to pause the video, solve the sum by yourself and then match the answer. That will help you to understand whether you're really comfortable with the topic or not. So this will be 5 into 8 square, 1 into 8 raised to 1 and 2 into 8 raised to 0. So this will be 5 into 8 square is 64 plus this is 1 into 8 is 8 plus this will be 2. So this will be 64 into 5 which is 330, 320 and 8 plus 2 is 10. So your final value comes out to be 330 and this is to the base 10. Okay? 512 to the base 8 is 330 to the base 10. Similarly, if you have any base x, okay, this is just a generalized way. If you have any base x, the number is 123. So you can write it as 1 into x square plus 2 into x raised to 1 plus 3 into x raised to 0. You can replace x with any number. The process is going to be the same. So your final value will come out to be x square plus 2x plus 3. Okay? So this is how you convert any number to the base 10. Now, you should be able to convert any decimal number to any other base as well. Okay, we have seen how to convert any number to the base 10. But what if we want to convert any number, any decimal number to any other base? How do we do that? Now, please understand this example carefully because the process is slightly different. Okay, now this number is 33 to the base 10. So can I write this as, let's say 3 into 10 raised to 1 plus 3 into 10 raised to 0? Because this is a decimal number, तो मैं इसको ऐसे लिख सकती हूँ 3 into 10 raised to 1 plus 3 into 10 raised to 0. So this gives the place value and when I pick only 3 and only 3 from here, it gives me my number 33. Now how do we convert it to a base 8? Okay, I want to convert it into an octal system. So the numbers defined are only 0 to 7. 7 के आगे कोई number defined नहीं है. So what do we do? देखो, if I ask you, which is the number which is the closest to 33 which is divisible by 8? 8 के टेबल में 33 से closest value कब आता है? 8 के टेबल में 33 से closest value is 32 which is 8 fours are. So I will write this as 8 into 4. This gives me a 32 but I want a 33. So I need one more. So what will I do? I will write this as 8 raised to 0 into 1. This will be 8 raised to 1. 8 fours are 32 plus 8 raised to 0 into 1. So this will be nothing but 1 into 1. तो ये क्या हो गया? 32 plus 1 हो गया which is 33. So your 8 gives the place value. You discard the 8, just pick 4 from here, 1 from here. So this gives you your octal number 41 to the base 8. ठीक है, so 33 to the base 10 is the same as 41 to the base 8. This is how you convert it. Let's look at a few more examples. Now we have to convert 33 to the base 10 to a hexadecimal number 16 to the base 16. What do we do here? Same process. Instead of 8, you will just be taking 16. My question to you is, 16 के टेबल में 33 से closest value कब आती है? It is 16 twos are 32. Correct? It is 16 twos are. So I'll write this as 16 into 2, which is 32. But I want 33. So this is 16 raised to 1 into 2 plus 16 raised to 0 into 1. Because this is 32 and this is 1, it gives me 33. So you will just pick 2 from here. You will pick 1 from here because 16 just gives a place value and your answer is 21 to the base 16. So 33 to the base 10 is 21 to the base 16. Okay? Now I have to convert 33 to the base 10 to a binary number. Okay? It's a binary number because your base is 2. Now understand, in binary we only deal with zeros and ones. That's it. Okay? You don't have even 2 defined here. So you cannot use the process which we used earlier कि 2 के table में 33 से closest value कौन सी आती है, which is 2 16s. But 16 is not even defined in a binary system. So the process here is slightly different. What do we do? देखो, we will divide 33 by 2. And we will write down the remainders as well. So 2 16s is 32. I have 1 remaining. I'll write 1 here. 2 8s is 16. Nothing is remaining. 0. 2 4s are 8. Nothing remains. 0. 2 2s are 4. Nothing remains. 0. Then you have 2 1s are 2. Nothing remains. 0. So what will I do? I want the binary number. I'll start with this and I will move in this manner. ठीक है? So 33 to the base 10 is nothing but 1 0 0 0 0 1. ठीक है? 1 1 2 3 4 zeros and 1 to the base 2. So this is how you define 33 in the binary system. ठीक है? Let's look at one more example because generally students get confused in the binary. So let's look at this example. Same process. The process is going to be the same. So 42 को हम divide करेंगे 2 से. So this will be what? 2 21s are 42. The remainder is 0. ठीक है? 2 10s is 20. Remainder is 1. 2 5s is 10. Remainder is 0. Then 2 2s are 4, remainder 1. 2 1s are 2, remainder 0. Again you will start from here and you will move in this direction. So your value is 1 0 1 0 1 0. So 42 to the base 10 is 1 0 1 0 1 0 to the base 2. So this is how you can convert a number, a decimal number, to a binary number.